What's up mga ka-trends? Here's this update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on recess activity, Rosas Spearban attends the wedding of their common friends with Debbie and Mark Prin. On Instagram post, Rosas Spearban look so happy dancing on the floor. As you can see, Mark Prin was always beside of Urasaya to take good care of her since Nadek and Kimberly Ann is not around. Nadek Ogimia and Kimberly Ann was busy on work, especially they had another project in abroad and had a lacorn to take. Prin and Rosette Spear Band was enjoying their day since they are best friends for over the years and they had a lot of delicious food last night. The friendship of Nadek and Kimberly Ann, Mark Prin and Rosaya was still strong ever since the day started.